Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Honeywell Space Heater. Make sure to watch till the end of the video to know our final verdict if this space heater is worth it. Honeywell Space Heater Overview. The Honeywell Digital Ceramic Tower Heater is a powerful 1500 watt heater that uniformly heats the whole room. It comes with options for 2 heat settings and a programmable thermostat. This product is safe with 2 overheat protection features, thermal insulated wiring, tip-over protection, an auto-off timer, and a permanent dust filter. It is also designed as a compact tower unit that can fit in any room without occupying too much space. The sturdy base and cool touch plastic body make this product convenient and safe. What we liked: efficient heating, has great safety features, adjustable thermostat. What we didn't like: limited range. Features: adjustable thermostat. This particular heater has the Honeywell adjustable thermostat that lets the users control the temperature of the room as they wish. This makes certain that the heater only runs for the required time, hence providing you with the required warmth. The dial or digital options allow for precise adjustments on the amount of heat needed, depending on the required warmth level, high or low. Safety enhancements. The Honeywell Space Heater has its safety factor well thought out. It comes with many integrated safeguards intended to provide you with comfort. The tip-over protection feature turns off the heater when the device is accidentally tipped over to avoid cases of fire. Also, an overheat shutoff is available to help the heater prevent overheating if it attains a dangerous temperature. Additionally, the outer surface of the heater is coated with a cool touch to guarantee safety. This is especially helpful if you have children or pets. Compact and portable design. One of the amazing aspects of the Honeywell Space Heater is that it is small and mobile. It may not be very large, but when it comes to heating, this heater delivers in its unique way. This makes it easier for it to be carried around from one room to another in order to provide heat where needed. Who is the Honeywell Space Heater best suited for? The Honeywell Space Heater is recommended for anyone who wants an effective way to heat a small to medium room without the risk of fire. It gets the job done whether you want to warm your small office for a few minutes or keep your bedroom warm for hours. Verdict: should you get the Honeywell Space Heater? If you are looking for a well-built space heater with practical safety features, the Honeywell Space Heater is worth a purchase. Although it is not ideal for large rooms, it is very effective for small rooms. Thanks for watching.